Hey guys, this is Jack from Elevators Are Amazing. Before the video starts, I want to let you guys know that the video that you're going to watch is not my video. This video is owned by my best friend Devin from Elevators Are Awesome. So I want to give a big thank you to him for letting me use his video. So anyways guys, enjoy the video.
Okay, Jack, I'm gonna hold the door open for 30 seconds and we will see some magic. I don't know if this elevator has nudge mode, but we'll see. There it goes, nudge mode. That's how you do it.